Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Gemini, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you remove your bank account from Gemini? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your bank account from Gemini? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you've switched bank accounts or banking providers, or maybe you're no longer using the app and you just want to go ahead and delete your bank account from being connected to Gemini. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the app. It's this blue and white one here. Well, I guess it's more of a turquoise color. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open my Gemini account now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Gemini account. This is the home screen here, but if you'd like to remove your bank account from Gemini, what you want to do is click on this little person icon here on the top right. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you get this drop-down menu that has various options for your Gemini account, but you want to look for this line right here called Manage Payment Methods. It looks like it has a little bank icon next to it. All right, once you click there, you're going to see all the different bank accounts that you have associated with your Gemini account. As you see, I just have the one Chase account linked to mine. If you have multiple bank accounts, you want to choose the one you want to remove. For me, I'm going to remove my Chase account, so I'm going to click here. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, it shows some more specifics about your bank account. But in order to remove your bank account from Gemini, you want to click on this remove button here on the top right. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this pop-up happens. It says, are you sure? Press remove to remove your Chase account or whichever bank you're removing. If you still want to remove your bank account from Gemini, click on this red remove button. Okay, I clicked there, and just a quick second later, it popped back to the account page, and then your bank account will be removed from Gemini. If you want to confirm that, just click right back here in the same section, add payment method. And then as you see, I now no longer have a bank account associated with my Gemini account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to remove your bank account from Gemini, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.